traders, hello, and it's morning for me, so I'm going to say good morning. And it's the 30th now of May 2020. This month really has raced by. I don't think. Well, I'll talk about how the month was. The month actually was slightly negative, about 0.4%. Couple of good trades, couple of losing trades. I wouldn't say they were bad trades. They just didn't quite pan out as I would have liked them to. Aussie dollar, I played a couple of times. Didn't get in long again. I tried selling, tried buying, and unfortunately not to be. So now I do enter on the hourly, and I understand that those situations, and I've come to terms with that. Is the trade will typically end within the day. It'll either be, well, if it doesn't, that's a good thing. Normally, if it's going to lose, it will in the day, because just with where I place the stops. Now, obviously, the Aussie dollar has continued to strengthen as well, and it's we'll see what it does next week. And it seemed that to end the session off, the US dollar was a little weaker as well. So I'm gonna just sit back and watch. I have an open mind. I will say I'm a little short biased on the Aussie, but recently you can't deny that it's just been, it's been quite strong, and it's moving pretty nicely. It's a little choppy when it does pull back. It's sort of like here, it really sort of looked like it wanted to recommence the downtrend, but it didn't, and it held up. And there's a few factors going on that help support the Aussie as well, and that's, I guess, the COVID-19 situation. And in regards to economic data, everywhere's obviously not good, so it just seems that that's helped. And also, risk on has been the theme. It really has, and you can say it doesn't make sense, and I would tend to say I agree, but with trading, it's always a little different each day, and it seems that risk sentiment has been one of the key things to look for, where it can change regularly, but honestly, especially this week, it's held up. So I mean, that was Wednesday, and it sort of it looked. No, I don't have it marked on this chart. Actually, I like using these charts because there's more available. It's just all prepared. It's just me being a little bit lazy. But my other broker, I took it. So I mean, I was trying to short it, and it didn't quite play out, and then try to long it. Obviously, you're seeing the daily chart here. Let's go to the hourly. This is sort of turning into a bit of an Aussie dollar analysis, really. All right, so on the hourly, you can see what looks like really not much activity. There's stuff going on, and I mean, I've been trying with the hourly. I've recently picked up a little bit of work on the side in another industry, and it's we'll see if I'll continue with that, because it sort of means that the work I've been doing to develop this system it's challenging to trade it. You can do it, and also it sort of means that I'm a little more mentally fatigued as well, which is not ideal if you're. And to be fair, I still need to be a little bit more open-minded. Let me just try and see if I can get a trend line here, just to see. Maybe not. This is just some trial stuff. Well, sort of. Okay. Look, we'll see with the Aussie. When we've got the alley up, we've seen a lot of times where it's tried to get through to 67, and it hasn't. So I want to watch this, and we'll go from there. Now, I also want to talk about the euro, but I might sort of bundle that all into Actually, I can touch base on this. So I went long on this as well. So the week was okay, but the month I did actually go back, and there were a couple of trades at the start of the month. I think on the Aussie, I've been trading that quite a little bit, and they just didn't pan out. Like, I had the thesis, met the criteria, but not the end of the world. Now it looks like the euro is like it's moving. It's yeah. So it was looking like we'd see really where it is now, actually on the daily. Okay, we'll see what this wants to do now. The daily sort of prints the picture here, so it's not extremely bullish right now, but it's not very bearish. It's sort of, what's more bearish than bullish though, with that how that candle closed. So I'll watch this to see if there's a shorting opportunity. Guys, I think that's the video. All right, thank you for watching, and I think I'll do an end of month update on Monday, and I'll do a watch list tomorrow as well. All right, thanks guys, and happy trading. Bye for now.